2 little Easter bunny ears. Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since we've uploaded a video and I thought we could do an extra special one because it's almost Easter. So let's do some Easter cooking. Now I do have a very special guest here with me today. It's my mom. Say hi to Mom. Hello.
Hello.
So, see this little biscuit here? That is a milk arrowroot biscuit. Very plain, very simple. We're going to make it look amazing. We are going to add icing sugar, we're going to make it colorful, and then we're going to decorate it. Now my plan is to make an Easter one and maybe just a fun, happy, smiley face one. This is something I used to do as a kid. It was fantastic. Let's see if I can do it better now that I'm a bit older. Probably not going to be able to, but we'll see how we go. Oh wait, I can't eat that yet. It's not done. Okay. We've got mustics, M&Ms, marshmallows, bananas, milk bottles, and sour straps. So the first step is the icing sugar. So I've got my little icing sugar bowl here. We're just gonna add some water to it and then add a color. I'm thinking pink. All right, we've got our water. I think I put too much water in, but that's okay because you can always just keep adding icing sugar. That's how I do it anyway. Oh, I'm gonna need so much more icing sugar. Hang on, got a plan. Okay, come back in, Mum. Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Here.
All right, what color do you want?
I think green would look good for Easter.
Green? Okay. We're gonna do 1 drop of green.
That's a lot of water.
It's okay. Green! All right, so our next step is we get our little biscuit. Mum, which side do I use?
That side. No.
That side?
No, the other side.
That side.
side.
This
No, that
side.
one.
So we're gonna make the first one a green one. We put our little bit on top, like that. Then you get your little knife, you rub it in, and you make it look all neat and tidy. Oh, I really thought I would have improved since primary school. And that's all you have to do. Okay, now you get to decorate it. I'm going to make this one into a little Easter bunny. I sound so Australian just then. I'm going to make this one into a little Easter bunny. All right, we're going to use little milk bottles. This was my idea, as ears. 2 little Easter bunny ears. And then we need some eyes. I've got Smarties. It's not looking very good. I'll just push the ears back up. After that, we want to give him a little nose. So I've got a little mini M&M. We'll give him a red nose. There we go. Isn't he looking cute? And then we need a mouth, so a banana. Yes, he's going to be an incredibly happy. The sizing really doesn't match up. So I got him a mouth, a banana mouth, and then whiskers. I thought this one through. So I got some sour straps. Oh, he's dripping. So I got some sour straps and I figured I would just tear them apart. We'll just put them on his face like little whiskers. So I was gonna do 3 on each side, but with the smile being so big, he's running out of room. And there you have it. An Easter bunny. Mum, what do you think?
Oh, Lizzie, you have not improved since primary school. Just keep practicing.
You know what? I'm not gonna eat this yet because I'm gonna make a few cute ones and I'll put them all on display and hopefully I'll get better. So, pink one. Let's make it a pink Easter bunny. So I've got my mustics. I'm gonna give him, or her, cute little pink ears. Oh, they look cute. Or alien-y. What color eyes should we do?
Blue eyes.
Blue, okay. Definitely looks like an alien at the moment. Cute little nose. Oh, he's not looking like an Easter bunny at all. Look at that little guy. An Easter alien. We're gonna do another one. I'm dying. I've been a little sick lately. So Mum had a suggestion that we're going to do the Easter Bunny's little bottomies, little tushy. So there's our little Easter Bunny's back. And then we get a little mini marshmallow and we put it right there. And we're done. We're going to forget about the Easter theme for a second and just do a nice little happy smiley face theme. No! That was so aggressive. I just had a better idea. And now I'm going to turn this into an Easter egg. So, much to my surprise, this has turned out really, really good. So I recommend doing this one. You can do the bunny ones too, and they are super cute. Look at that little egg. Let's make some more. I like it. That's not how you're supposed to respond.
You are my daughter and I love you.
Well, it's going in the good pile. Are you making a mess?
I'm making a mess.
Yeah, well, this is where I get it from then. Okay.
There you go. We have an Easter egg. See?
That's not better than mine.
Let the people judge.
It's not.
It is.
All right, we're having a competition now. It's on. It's on. Oh, I'm done.
Done?
I wish I wasn't.
Jay!
We had a competition. One person out of Mum and I made one person made the other. Which one wins?
Which is the prettiest Easter egg?
Gotta go with the green one.
No! It's crap!
I won!
It looks like an egg. The other one doesn't look like an egg.
Oh, no!
Ah,
It's Easter, guys.
Okay, you don't have to hold it up. Like, I'm proud. I'm in kindergarten. I made an egg.
But I am, and I did.
All right.
And I'm not.
I love how you're just standing there. I don't know what to do. Take a step behind me. All right. Stop. No, I can't. We're going now. Thank you so much for watching this video today. We hope you have an absolutely amazing Easter. Now, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Well, don't like the channel. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yes. And have an amazing Easter and make some of your own amazing little Easter eggs. And I'm sure they'll be better than ours, even though ours, you can't get much better than that. All right. Have a good day. Oh,
I'm supposed to be eating the stars.
oh, my lines aren't straight.